participate in the Juneteenth celebration, which is a summer event that just brings the community together. We usually go out and educate people about public health during the summer, especially staying safe in swimming pools, protecting yourself from the sun, staying hydrated. We also this year partnered with Farm Share. We brought fresh fruits and vegetables into a food desert, so we were able to distribute over 15,000 pounds of fresh fruits and vegetables and other food items in partnership with Farm Share and the Midtown Health Equity Action Team.
We were there around 7 o'clock in the morning and everybody was there ready to work. Farm Share came with their truck, a whole bunch of food, 2 levels of food. We actually needed a forklift to take the food out. And we started early bagging up the different foods. There were potatoes, green beans, bagged bread items, shelf-stable milk, watermelon and cantaloupe, which people really enjoyed. I actually think the watermelon is what started catching people's attention because we weren't supposed to start giving out food until 11, and by 10 o'clock we already had a line started forming, people asking about the watermelons and everything else.
The park that we were located in, it's literally across the street from some housing and some housing developments. And we saw people that were just walking past and they had their strollers and we're like, hey, fresh fruits and vegetables. And people were just coming over in droves. And it was so amazing to just be able to give back to the community. And also there were many community partners there. So not just the health department, but also different organizations, whether it was faith-based, whether it was related to health. So it was really a community effort and it was just absolutely awesome.
I believe that a great impact that we provided for the community, one is the information that we provide, and also the presence that we have in the community to see what we do and what services we offer. This year's Juneteenth was excellent at the same time. A lot of vendors were out there, so we had a great chance to network with them, learn different services that are offered also in Volusia County, and to update any other vendors about what we do as well.
It's the area that I grew up in, and the reason I'm so overwhelmed about what's going on in that area is we need to get out there and educate. I work in the STD department, and if you could look at some of the records and see on the demographics where all these different diseases coming from, you understand why I'm saying we got to get into the schools, we got to get into the churches, we got to walk the streets, because the more kids I'm seeing now in the age of 13 to 15 is getting infected with all kind of sexually transmitted diseases.
We provided quite a few incentives for those students that attended the Juneteenth. We had a tobacco wheel that asked questions to the community in regards to information regarding the dangers and consequences of tobacco. The public was pretty engaged in following the guidelines that we had as far as being able to receive the initiatives that we had in place. Quite a few kids participated, and it was pretty much a great turnout.
It was great. We had a large number of partners that came out. We were able to talk about programs that we can possibly collaborate. But I think the major impact for me was talking to the clients and consumers and just people that attended the event as to the various type of services that we provide, and especially the best summer ever, getting kids involved into physical activity and talking to parents about it, and they were very excited about it as well. The 32114 zip code in Daytona Beach has been known as a food desert. So the scarcity of fresh fruits and vegetables is something that's known. However, we still can be healthy, whether it is participating in some of the community gardens that the health department is working on and sponsoring, the school gardens. It's always good to, even if you don't have access to the fresh fruits and vegetables, we can turn to canned fruits, we can have frozen fruits. There are many ways to still be accessible to our healthy fruits and vegetables, even if we don't have the fresh ones right there in our garden.
We need to be more conscious of seeing our doctors on a regular basis, getting checkups, medical and dental and vision as well, and just living a life full of wellness by exercising, eating right, and getting enough sleep.
I think it's a great need that we stay and continue to be a part of Juneteenth Festival. Usually we get an average of about 4,000 people come through there. And when you're talking about from little kids all the way up to high school, college students, and the older adults, you got a great venue there to educate.